What if in your manufacturing facility you have many parts to assemble, to pick and place, to sort at the beginning of the line, or sometimes at the end? So this is what we call the 3D-Bin picking, because that's a task that is traditionally done by humans and it requires a high level of skill. We, with our technology, have managed to embed a very advanced 3D vision camera that is the fastest in the industry and can do human-like recognition faster than any other. Here you solve two challenges. First, labor scarcity, because after the pandemics, we all knew that lots of people were required to do these manual tasks. If you have a robot like here with a 3D vision camera, you can solve those issues of labor scarcity. Also without posing any problems or any safety risks to your manufacturing workers. Even if you have a very wide range of variety of different type of parts, you can have accurate picking and placing and sorting with the type of camera that we have embedded and the technology of artificial vision that the cobot can have installed directly in their arm. We have developed this solution of the cobot with a mobile station, so you can put it whenever and wherever you want around your facility.